Peace be upon you. In this video, we will explain how to hide message read receipts and read receipts on Instagram. This means you can read Instagram messages you receive without the other person knowing that you have read them, without needing any additional apps. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. Before we proceed, as usual, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get started with God's blessings. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Instagram app. At the bottom, you will find the profile icon. Tap on it, and you will see 3 small lines. Tap on them and wait until the following screen appears. Then scroll down. You will find messages and replies to stories. After that, you will find the message read receipts. Others can see that you have read their messages. Disable this feature, and other people will not know that you have read their messages. That was today's topic. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. For any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments. We will meet again in a future video, God willing.